This is Jeff with Eternity Shore, and we had a video last year, I think it was last year, when we had come out just past Hawks Cove into the Chesapeake to see if we could see a cruise ship coming in, and it never came that day. So we're back here again, wanting to see a cruise ship, and we haven't seen the cruise ship yet. It's been about 15 minutes since they're supposed to leave the port of Baltimore. So we'll see. But as we're sitting here, we noticed a freighter coming up, a tanker coming up from underneath the Chesapeake Bay Bridge, and that thing is coming our way. In fact, fun times, Mary. Since I've been sitting here, 3 towboats have pulled up into the harbor. I know they're not going to hit us. We're not in the channel. In fact, we're in 13 feet of water. So if they hit us, that's a big problem. But I want to position ourselves better. All right, let me flip this thing around. Glovis. And there you have a couple of tugs awaiting. Now, the standard operating procedure is somebody would board that vessel, the pilot. So there she is. All right, let's see what happens here. I bet that's the pilot. Well, that thing is moving though. That boat is moving really fast. To watch our wake. Alright, so you can see the pilot is coming up alongside of it. That's impressive. Alright, I'm going to see if I can get a good shot of this. Came for the cruise ship, but this is more interesting. Okay, pilot went on the other side, on the port side. So we're not going to get to see that. The channel is right there. Probably just a couple 100 yards away. I still don't see the cruise ship. I'm sure the pilot is aboard and maybe in command at this point. Or semi-command. Alright, we'll let those guys go in, and then we're going to see if Carnival comes out. Again, if you remember the Francis Scott Key Bridge accident, the dolly hit that bridge, and that's why you see 2 bridges to nowhere over there. All right, flipping the boat around. Want to face that guy. See what kind of wake we get. Oh, there's another one coming down Chesapeake over there. That's big. What the heck? We're hanging out. There's a lot of wake here. Big. I'm not sure what produced that.
Ooh, honey.
Okay. Well, that was not fun. All right. So, what's happening? So our friend, the freighter, was going into this area right here, this little side section. This is Sparrows Point. And now the Carnival Pride is there. It's getting closer to where the Francis Scott Key Bridge was. I mean, we came all this way, right? Let's go. Let's go, Carnival Pride.
And the tugs are following it.
Uh-huh. Tugs are following Glovis?
Yeah,
Glovis. All right, so the Carnival Pride is now through where the Francis Scott Key Bridge used to be. All right. There's the Carnival Pride. All right, so this is exciting. The ship is finally here. And we got 2 more cargo ships coming that are passing it, I think, coming into Baltimore. Now, for those of you that are used to this, okay, fine, but we're not used to it. This is fun for us to see. All right, here's the lay of the land. You got that guy coming, who's coming up from Chesapeake City, down from Chesapeake City. You got this guy who just came up from the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. You got this guy who's just doing what we're doing. He's basically watching all this take place. And then you got Carnival over here. I feel like we're playing a game of chicken. I didn't think they were going to pass in front of us, but I think they are. This guy's booking. We're going to have to be cognizant of his wake, for sure. And then the guy behind him. Over there. There's Carnival Pride. And this guy is Idle ACL. Okay, we really don't want them to hit each other.
Oh my gosh.
All right, if their wake is really big, I'm just going to turn and bail, but we'll be able to see it. Carnival Pride on its way to maybe Bahamas. I mean,
They're so close. They're talking to each other.
they look very close. Gotta be honest with you, that looks really close. Yeah, we're right here when they...
Oh my gosh. I didn't even know to the last second, like, who was in front of who.
Oh, really? All right, so this might be quite a bit awake.
No joke.
And there's another one coming right after it. Wow. Pretty cool, honey. All right, you check the wake out, okay? It's just hitting this boat in front of us. It's so funny, I thought, you heard me say, like, oh, that's not gonna cross in front of us. Do you remember?
Yeah.
I was like, and then like, it's literally crossing right in front of us. Oh, that was fun. That was exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah?
So exciting.
So exciting. Although, man, it takes a while for that ship to get out of harbor. It's now 6:07. It's now 6:07. So it left at 4:30. Oh, no, we could have been here an hour later, not on time. And now it's passing another freighter. I'll get a picture of that here in a second. So ship number 2. That give you a little better shot, Mary? About how they're passing?
Yeah. Well, I think the other one's closer.
The other one was closer?
The other cargo ship was closer.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think you're right, but who knows?
Carnival kind of.
Carnival looks like it's going to the right a little bit. Yeah, yeah. Totally. Upper Chesapeake Bay, baby. Upper Chesapeake Bay, that's where it's at. I think it says Grand Dolphin. It's kind of a boring ship.
Look how funny it looks from the back.
I know, it looks funny.
Right?
It looks like an apartment building. You're exactly right. I was going to say it. They all have to be lit up here, anyway. Out here, yes. The next one is red and up there. And then there's this. This is the starboard side engine. And that, my friends, looks like power steering fluid. Okay. That'll be for another day.